Alrighty, let's see. Happy Friday, folks. Happy Friday. Let's see what we get here out of something about bitrate is low, but the thing I looked at told me to lower my bitrate so that way there'd be no lag. But okay. So whatever. If it's not lagging then I'm happy. So alrighty. Again it says I'll have to look at the stream later. But I found a video on YouTube that said to reduce lagging and stuff like that to get rid of the issue that I was having yesterday. Um, I had to lower my bitrate. Now it's saying bitrate is too low, but I don't think the stream is lagging. So if that's the trade-off, then that's the trade-off. Alright guys, gonna be super picky today. Gonna be super picky. It's Friday. Obviously, we've seen what the heck has happened, right? In the market. Oh, oh. That's OP. Alright, let me see. Um, Alrighty. Just going to sit here and wait. Obviously, guys, let's go to like the 30-minute. Obviously, we had a huge drop overnight. Um, Big drop and then also a big recovery. We're kind of running into some of this area here. Now we're kind of seeing some more resistance, but just gonna chill in the sense of waiting for the best setup here. Um, Going to try to attack the best setup once it presents itself. Kind of assumed that today would have big body candle ranges, so don't want to get caught in any of that crap, to be honest with you. Um, so, like, this is what 10 points looks like. Like, every candle is 10 plus points right now. So, precision is very important. What up, Ollie? Good morning, good morning. Hopefully my stream's a lot better. It should be a lot better at least. Good morning, DBK. Appreciate you for showing up. Uh, Not necessarily right now, but if we get a stream check later, just let me know how the stream's operating here. So I looked up a YouTube video on how to fix the issues that I was having yesterday, and then it told me to drop my bit rate on my streaming application. So I did that, um, and it is now saying that my stream's current bit rate is lower than the recommended bit rate, which is because I lowered it. However, my stream has been on good stream health or excellent stream health this entire time. So, um, I'm not too sure what the negative side effects are. Yeah, I'm just hoping to fix it, nothing's worse than the lagging stream, especially if you're trying to follow my trades to any capacity or follow my commentary. The worst thing is like, oh, I think AP is about to go long right here, and then all of a sudden it's glitching out or this or that, and then all of a sudden maybe I'm up points or whatever, and then you didn't take the trade. It can be frustrating. So I know that. So I'm just trying to fix my stream quality here as well. As far as clarity goes, though, is clarity okay? I'm just trying to see what is affected here with the bit rates being lower. If clarity's fine and we're not lagging, then we're good. Okay. Someone told me it's pretty clear. Very good on clarity. Oh, okay, cool, cool. All right. Well then, yeah, I don't know what's being affected as far as the bit rates go. I don't even know what that even is, to be honest with you guys. Um, hey, good morning, good morning. Um, I don't even know what bit rate is, to be honest with you, but it's not gonna lag and it's gonna be clear. That's all I can ask for. So we'll see though. Usually, the problems start to happen later in the session more so than right at the beginning. So not gonna get too excited here, but yeah. Also for the few people that are in here, I did pass more evaluation accounts yesterday. So there's gonna be another Road to Payout series starting Monday. I'm not trading them today. I'm gonna trade on Sim today. Just because it's Friday, it's OPEX Friday. We obviously had like the huge news that dropped us way down, and we recovered way back up, and it's just just gonna be cautious today. I'm gonna be very selective today. Yesterday I was just messing around kind of on Sim and took a couple bad trades. So I'm just gonna be the opposite of them. Be very selective. Make sure they're good trades that are worth following or worth listening to my commentary on. Gonna be very like education focused as well. So if anyone has any questions or anything like that on why I'm not taking a trade or why I'm taking a trade or why I think this or why I think that, definitely just ask. Gonna be very educational based today, and looking for like that A plus setup personally that like I absolutely love. And then as far as like the payout journey goes, guys, I on the last one, as you guys know, it was a success. So I'm still the payout is still pending. It should be accepted soon. Once it's accepted, I'm going to make a or I guess I could make a video on it even while it's pending, and then once it's accepted, make another video. But either way, regardless, my whole point is last payout series was a success, and we have a new one starting on Monday. So that's where I'm at with like accounts and everything like that goes. But watching some rotation here, YM is taking off and holding. NQ is obviously dropping lower. where might NQ be going? Probably in this little range, I would assume. We have the sell side liquidity here to here. Oh man. It's probably gonna go try to draw on this. I wouldn't be surprised to maybe see us get here into 7 o'clock and then turn around and try to recover back up. Um, so we will see. This was a good FVG retest right here, I suppose. Even if you traded the bottom, let's see. Yeah, it's about 10 points if you just gave yourself a little bit, you know. You're good. I still think the draw is lower here. We obviously have this liquidity here that we may try to bounce on really quickly. This is a pretty decent trade here as well. We are bouncing out of this 1 minute FVG. Wow. Well, if you had your order there, like I was just talking about. Oh man, that's a 21 point trade in seconds. Wow. Damn it. Probably should have taken that considering I was calling for a draw on liquidity down here lower. Could have tried to sat here for a 50-point trade. But it happened so fast, jeez. If we're to get back up here, I don't like it as much. I'll be reading Delta, but we will see. I may try it again just because we
Order
had
filled.
such a strong. Oh no. Okay, I'm on 5 MNQ with no bracket. That's what happened. Okay. Okay. And we just ripping through here. Let's see. The close above it, I'm. Oh, jeez, yeah. Christ, Delta is absolutely on a tear right now. Let's see. We wicked through that liquidity, so I'm holding in this. We broke this liquidity and dove down, so I'm holding this right now. Actually, might even average into this if I can. Let's see.
Order filled.
All right, there we go. Putting my stop back at the highs. Okay, yeah, it's gonna turn around on me. It was. Uh, Come on.
Stop filled.
And okay,
Order filled.
still in. Okay, crap. All right, let me. Hmm, April, May, June. Okay. Okay. Good morning, y'all. Everyone that's in here. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Let's see. Delta absolutely soaring. So let's see if we actually have this invert. This is an inversion here. We don't have the FVG, but it's the inversion. Actually, it was such a clean inversion retest here. May not get it again. This was the inversion play. Dang. Um, we're approaching back towards the opening print where we do have this FVG here. But guys, I'll be honest with you. I am thinking we may even try to run on like this liquidity with how we're looking right now. This may have been the trade here. We got a huge rip through and a retest. Like, ah, crap. Okay, it's saying YouTube's not receiving enough video to maintain it now. Hey, good morning, Trade to Fly. Good morning, Papa. First clipping of the day. Alright, yeah, it says it's not receiving enough video to maintain a smooth stream. It says some viewers will experience buffering. So, I'm hoping not. If not, I think I may need to invest in like um a better Wi-Fi extender. The issue is I just don't think the Wi-Fi is good here moved into. The infrastructure for internet is like not great. I don't think, because this is like the third house in this city that I've lived in that's had this issue, and when I've moved any place else, I've never had this issue. Yeah, it's the third house I've had internet issues where it's not like perfect. Like when I was in my apartment in a different city, this was never an issue. It was a much bigger city though, and that they had better infrastructure. When I lived in Oklahoma City, same thing. Zero internet issue, much bigger city. Wow, we kind of found this little guy right here, didn't we? Kinda. Bad enough to restart. Um, yeah, guys. I think I need to just try to figure it out with the internet company or something, or see what they recommend. Um, cause yeah, it's not good. If we were to come back down here again, I would probably look for the long again. Delta's absolutely dumping though. It's okay after restarting. Yeah, I mean it says the same thing. It says may not have enough video for the stream to continue. And then every once in a while it says stream will crash if video doesn't start again, which again it's just losing connection, I think. Let me turn my Wi-Fi off. I'm gonna text my fiance, see if she can make sure she's off Wi-Fi. I'm gonna try this long here if we can get it down at 59.
Order submitted.
59 long. Let's see. Trying to snag this 59. 61 might have been it. Alright, now it just says that it's fine. Okay. Let's see. Alrighty. Let's see if we can snag this. Trying to get it.
Order filled.
Alright, let's see. Is he just gonna dump on us now? Let's hope not. Let's hope we get this. But we may. Yeah.
Stop filled.
Criminy. Wow. Okay. This is why I was going on sim today. Talk to my fiance about seeing what we can do to try to make that better. Jeez. We deliver straight off of this opening print in PDO. We just straight dove through this. Again, we got the bounce here. We probably... Hmm. Do I want to use this as an FVG though? That becomes the question. Or IFVG here. 'Cause I still think the draw is lower, right? Like, see, it won't even change my template. It's so laggy.
Order
I'm gonna
submitted.
try it right here. 54. Come on. Are you kidding me? Come on. How'd that not fill me? It got to 55. Oh, 55. So it hit my entry to the cent. Gotcha. It's gonna dump now. Hit my entry to the cent and didn't fill me. Okay. So this is the IFVG. We have an IFVG as well as this FVG here. I hit my entry to the cent. 55 was my entry. And now it's gonna go. Right now it just says low bit rate, so hopefully it stays like that.
Order filled.
Oh, I didn't know I still had my order there. What the fudge? Okay. I didn't know I still had my order there. I don't love that we swept this liquidity. I was gonna say we swept this liquidity, we might want to head back up, but now I'm in this trade. I didn't. I forgot my order was there. It's, we already swept this. It's stupid. Appreciate the likes, guys. Appreciate it. Let's see. Hopefully we can get this to turn back down here. Just watch for the close. If we could close below the CE, I feel a lot better about it. We did break these highs. I was gonna say the thing I don't like about this was we swept the liquidity lows here that could spring us higher, and then I had an order sitting here that I thought I took off, and it probably will just spring up now and take the
Stop
stop.
filled.
So that one's frustrating because I literally was liking the long, and I just sat here with a short order out there. I forgot it was there. This market also, with everything going on, I will say, and this is why I'm trading on Sim today, ultimately, and not my funded accounts, is there's like almost no rhyme or reason for how we're moving right now. Everything's big up, big down, big up. I mean, granted, like you could make the case, right? Like, oh, right here we swept the highs and then we reversed. We swept the lows and now we're reversing. But to the degree that we're reversing is pretty dramatic. Like the next high sweep I'd be looking for would be this sweep up into here. Is there an entry model there though? Not really. There was one here. See, that's what I was trying to get at before then I realized it filled me. Was anytime you could get a, I guess I'll just turn this into an education point. Anytime you can get a liquidity sweep into an entry model such as a fair value gap like this one, then it's A plus. Like trap liquidity or grab liquidity right here, right? Rip higher, target opposing liquidity if you want. That's 90 points. You could have just targeted here and got 30. You could target here and get 60. You know, so again, like I said, I really don't see an entry model on this side of this liquidity. Same thing happened over here though. Let me point this out. We broke through here, grabbed this liquidity into this entry model. Yeah, we wicked through it, but we never got the close above it, so that remained valid the entire time. This trade was a great trade though to liquidity sweep into the fair value gap. I just forgot I had an order there. Down, up, down, up. So we got a slight sweep here, slight sweep here. I was gonna say this. May be a good long. Because we've gotten the sweep here, the sweep here. I don't really want to take this short here. I think we're probably going to deliver up into this, honestly, because we got the double sweeps, right? Like we swept highs here, swept lows here. Manipulation, manipulation, and potential distribution higher. And maybe it works. But again, this market's just so fast right now, it feels like. Market's fast, computer slow. I can't even change the template. There we go. So even that would have been a 3-to-1 entry, which would have been nice. Mm, let's see. If we get down here and at least Delta's not just absolutely dumping. I'll probably take another shot here around 58. And my P&L thing on the side of my NinjaTrader is messed up, but whatever.
Order submitted.
Let's see. My entry's at 58 right now. Come on. Let's see.
Order filled.
Alright, order. Criminy. Order filled there. And no way, we just break back down, right? And we do. It just feels like it's gonna have to stop. It just feels like every
Stop filled.
everything's delivering, nothing's working. Like I said, I didn't love this short here, called it out, but then it drops. You know, the 40 points. And everything I take doesn't work immediately. So, um, so yeah, I mean, ultimately, this is why I decided to go on sim anyways. I knew action was gonna be like this. Candles are. If this is my stop, like the accuracy has to be very pinpoint, and this one should have been. And it's kind of annoying. It's like, okay, well, let me try to short up here now. Now we'll rip through it. Says YouTube's not enough video 10. I feel like we're gonna go higher, and again, this might be one where you have to use your feel rather than like an entry, because right now these entries aren't really working. Can I get my template to work?
Order filled.
I'm trying along down here at these lows. I was trying to get it right at 50. It looks like I got it at 53. I misclicked apparently, but I am targeting these highs. Let's see. Well, the issue is I didn't enter at 50 like I wanted to. I entered at 53.75. That's my issue. My entry was here that I was trying to grab.
Stop filled.
Wow. Okay. Today's just one of those days. Criminy. Absolutely ridiculous. I mean, I don't know. This may provide some support again, and I'll probably try it again, but the market's doing whatever the market wants to do right now with no real rhyme or reason, pattern-wise or fundamentally, how it usually trades. So, as I prefaced the stream with, I would proceed with caution and be careful because, yeah, this is not trading normally. YM's just trending higher, and Q's also doing its own thing, chopping. In reality, just chopping 5 minutes like this, so. And 10 points of a stop is quite literally nothing in movement like this. And like I said, I feel like the lows are kind of here, but Mahali, good morning, man. Let's see. Let's see. YM is just trucking along. That the move? Just oh, every time I say that, then NQ turns around. YM stops going higher. Should we just test the theory? Let's test the theory on YM.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's test the theory on YM here. YM chart over here to the left or right. Sorry, NQ's over here, so I'll be watching both. Let's check the theory though. Little theory check. Good. Stream good to know. Just started clipping. Yeah, I think it's going in and out, honestly. Um, Really nice bounce on NQ here too. This would have been a good spot, as I mentioned earlier. So, as of right now, it just says low bit rate right now, or low bit rate, or whatever the heck. See, I told you. The theory stands. The second it's like, oh, NQ's moving like dog shit. Look at how good YM's moving. YM dumps. I swear it's like a 90% win rate. Actually, you know what? I'll prove it. I will prove it. Give me a pop again so I can get so short it's not even funny on YM.
Order filled. Order submit. Order filled.
Let's
Order
see.
filled.
It's obviously on sim, and I'm sizing extremely heavily, but stop will be at the highs.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, there we go. Let's see. Stop at the highs. See what this turns into here. Or it could be a big ol' F me. And, now rip, but. Let's see. Let's see. NQ hit view up and bounced it right down here. I really didn't see if there was really anything worth, grabbing it for right there, though, honestly. The ultimate YM trade, I'm telling you. We should have done this to begin with to prove the point. The point is, YM will look good as long as it needs to for it to trap you when NQ is not moving good. So we'll see. Let's see. What is my average? 97? Let's see, it's kind of on this FVG on the YM as you can see, so we're gonna need that to obviously break. But we're getting to the other side of the Golden EM maze at this point. And Q is just bounced off this area, but again, I'm not really looking for this long. I think we're breaking down. We're going to continue to break down. At least in NQ. IM's looking like it wants to do its own damn thing half the time. ES is below Golden EMAs now, officially as well. Jeez, this was the short, huh? What are we down? 138 now on NQ? I'm trying to catch 100 points here on YM, and then we'll see. Let's see. Do, 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 do. Let's see. Like I said, I'm trying to hold this for 100 points. We'll see. Let's see. Let's push back into this level. Might cause some good rejections, to be honest, for NQ. Not trading it though. I'm obviously over here in this YM trade that I think has much bigger potential. It could play that catch-up card, if you will. Let's see what it wants to do. Oh, jeez. I'm up like 3 grand on this trade. Still up a good amount here, up like 50 points, so 2,500. Yeah, still's got a ways to go to view up. NQ's dropping. Kind of at their lows. Again, I'm trying to catch that 100-point move on YM. Wow. YM absolutely taking off back higher. Um, let's see, let's see. I want the 100 points. Staying for the 100 points. At least for right now. It's the plan. Give me the 100 points. I think ES can try to get the view up. YM just rejected gold in the MAs. What up, CG? What up, man? Come on, just a matter of time. We're rejecting these gold in the MAs, so I'm just gonna let it rip. Let it go. Come on. Still kind of rejecting these. Technically, if we get really back above here, I don't want to stop out above that, but what would it be? $570? Nah. Technically, though, we really shouldn't get it back above that. That's the gold in the MAs. We should really just send it lower from here. Should play catch up with the rest of the market. TP's literally just at like 100 points, so about halfway there. I will likely get out of here once TP hits. Let's see. Give me the hundo. Give me the 100 points down. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. ES has a little bit of ways to go to view up. If ES gets the view up, that's where I may also look to lock this. Come on. I want the full 100 points. ES is getting to view up, though. Like I said, I probably should have just locked what's view up. It got to view up because it could provide some sort of pop, but let's see. Let's see. Dang, NQ is still dropping all the way to midnight open. Remember when I thought we could get to midnight open? Way up here, off the opening push. It's coming down to the Golden EMAs as well here. YM is at least. Starting to get through the Golden EMAs just a tad. Like I said, I should have locked that once ES got to view up. I said it, but I was being stubborn for 100. Whoa. Back to entry. I'm not gonna lie, I was hoping my Friday would have been done if we would have just dropped like 15 more points and I would have got out and said we hit a whole 100-point trade, but now. YM is so dumb too though. Like, look at these candles. In 3 minutes, YM went up like 90 point, actually more. 100 points in 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. I love YM, but at the same time, like, Jesus. You gotta be on the right side of it for you to love that. You gotta be on the right side of it. And I said it too. I knew better. I said that once ES got to VWAP that I should lock that because it could turn around. And it did. Oh, also NQ got to midnight open. This area over here on NQ might be kind of interesting to look long if we're actually going to put a bottom in. But I don't know. NQ's just pushing the VWAP right now. Do 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 do. I was thinking we were gonna get it. I mean, what was that? 12. 7. That was a 15 more points. I just need 15 more points. NQ's bouncing right here. Like I said, NQ might really find some support down here. The issue is we need to get back above VWAP, which is somewhat around like here. By the time we get a pull down, if we get a pull back down lower, then whatever, it might just be a clearance of this level. Do 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 do. Drop it. You want to rip 100 points in 3 minutes? Drop it 100 points in 3 minutes. How about that? Oh, come on. It's running into the golden EMAs. The golden EMA was this very bottom thing, so we need to get back below here. There we go. Come on. Give us that. Hmm. Come on, drop it. Drop it. Give it to us. Give a test of these lows. I want the 100 points. I'm gonna be stubborn for these 100 points. Actually, maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. We're on the underside of the golden EMAs now. Need to just get a couple more closes here and push these lows. I'm gonna give it like this trade like 5 more minutes probably too, anyways, and get out of here. See where we're at in 5 minutes. Come on. Yes, getting back to VWAP. Is it smart to lock? Yes. Am I up 3 grand on this trade? Yes. Am I locking? Not yet. Uh, are we gonna bounce you up again and make me regret it? Maybe. Oh, come on, just dump this dang thing. Just dump this dang thing. And Q's dumping. Okay, let's see how it reacts here at these golden EMAs. Like I said, I was gonna give it a few more minutes as it is, so I want the whole 100 points. And it's ripping back to the golden. You know, the thing is, when I say something, I probably should do it. Like when I say, "Oh, ES is at VWAP. This is where I should lock." That's what I should do. I didn't do it twice now. Let's see. And all the way back to break even. All right, just for the sake of fun, I'm gonna
Order filled.
add a lot more here. Let's see if we can get a quick dump. Like right now, we're creating bullish FEGs and all kinds of stuff. All right. Yeah, I was gonna get out of here at 7:30, and now it's 7:45, and I'm still in this trade. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna close it here and get out of here, guys. Like I said at the beginning of the stream, we got some new funded accounts that we'll be trading starting on Monday. And that will be the new journey. Um, I already requested the last payout. Hopefully that gets accepted over the weekend or the next couple days, and I can make a video about that. But otherwise, we got a new journey ahead of us starting Monday. So let's all have a great weekend, and I will see you guys Monday for the new journey, and we will see what we get. Super excited for this. to restart with the new funded accounts. And just like last time, we'll track it all, be super transparent. Every trading day, every trade, etc., all tracked on here through YouTube video documentation as well as the spreadsheet that I was using last time. So I will catch you guys on Monday. Peace out, guys. Have a good weekend.